Hello everyone, this is teacher Katya. I hope you're all safe and well. In this video, we are going to learn a new grammar lesson. It's about the use of am, is, and are. Our objectives for this lesson are: number 1, identify is, am, and are in sentences. Number 2, listen to the story of the three brothers to know how to use them. And number 3, we have to use is, am, and are in a correct way. Now, I want you to look at sentence number 1 and read it. Let's read it together now. He sad. Do you think this is a correct sentence? No, it's not. There's something missing in this sentence. Can you guess it? It starts with a sound. Now let's see if you guessed right. He is sad. Is this a correct sentence? Yes, it is. So, here is a very important word in our sentence to make it complete and correct. We use am, is, and are to make complete sentences with nouns of people, animal, place, things, and pronouns like he, she, it, and they. Don't forget this because we're going to talk about it now. Now, it's story time. Let's listen together to the story of the three brothers, am, is, and are, to know how to use them. Once upon a time, there were three brothers, am, is, and are. Each one of them had his own friends. Am had only one friend, which is I. Remember, only one friend, because he's a bit shy. Can you think of a sentence with I and am together? Now let's see this sentence and try to make it complete by filling in the blanks. Let's read together. I, a boy. What do you think is missing in this sentence? That's right. It's the word am. So let's read the sentence now. I am a boy. So I and am are friends, and together they made the sentence complete. Now let's try another one. Let's read. I, a student. What's missing here also? It's the word am. Let's read it together now. I am a student. And of course, I didn't forget the girls. What do you say? When you're talking about yourself, you say, for all the girls here, we say, I am a girl. You can also say your name by using I and its friend am. I am Katya. Each one of you can say her name. Good job. Now, is not shy like am. It has many friends. Let's check out the friends of is. So it can be people. For example, let's read. Maya is happy. Maya is a person and it's only one. So we can use is with it. Maya is a girl. Can we put another word in its place? What do you think? For a girl, what do you use? He, she, it, or they? That's right, we use she. So also we can say she is happy. Is also friends with an animal. Let's give an example. Let's read it together. The bird is blue. So here, for the bird, which is an animal and only one, we can say that bird is blue. Is also friends with thing. One thing. For example, my book is big. Can you give another example for a thing? Also, is friends with a place. Let's check out the example. Look at the park. What can we say about the park? This park is nice. Can you give another sentence about the park using is? This park is big. Another examples. Now, there's something that we should always remember. Just like am, is friends with objects that are only one, not more. For example, let's read this sentence. She is a doctor. Now read the next sentence. They is doctors. Which one is the correct sentence? The first one or the second one? So the first sentence is the correct one because we use is with only one, not more. In the first sentence, she is one or more than one? It's only one. But in the next sentence, they are one or more than one? That's great. So because they are more than one, we can't use is. But what do you say? If we can't use is with more than one, what can we use with them? I'm sure there is another word that we can use with they. Let's check out the word that we can use with they, which is more than one. So now we have the third brother, are. Are is used to talk about people, animals, things, and places. It's used for objects that are more than one. Let's check it out. So this is are. It is friends with people, more than one. For example, they are happy. We can see we have one or many people in the picture. So they are two. So we use they are happy. We can use it also with animals. For example, the birds are blue. They are more than one. We can also use it with things. For example, my books are big. How many books do we have? They are 3. So they are more than one. Can you give another example for things and use are with it? Things like books, like pencils, like tables. And we can use are with places. For example, the schools are closed. Are is also friends with you, which is used when you talk to another person or people. Let's see the examples. You are my best friend. You are lovely. You are the best students ever. So in the first 2 sentences, you are my best friend. You are talking with only one. You are lovely. It's also one. But in the last sentence, you are the best students ever. We are talking to many people. Are is also friends with we. It is used when we want to talk about ourselves and others also. We don't use it to talk only about myself. So, instead of saying me and my friends in class, it's a very long sentence. What can we say? We. So, we. Let's see an example for it. We are grade 1 students. Can you think of another example for we? Now, we are going to repeat what we have learned. So, am, we use it only with I. For example, I am a student. Is, we use it with only one thing, place, person, or animal. We also use it with he, she, and it. For example, the apple is yummy. And here, apple is only one. What do you think? Place, animal, or thing? Apple here is one thing. Are, we use it with more than one person, place, animal, or thing. We use it also with they, you, and we. For example, cats are fluffy. Here we have more than one cat. And cats are, what do you think? People, places, animals, or things? Good job. They are animals. Now it's time for some practice. Let's read the first sentence and fill in the blanks with the correct word. What do you think? We should use am, is, or are, trees, or things. They are one or more. They are more. So we use are. The dog, black. The dog is people, place, thing, or animal. It's an animal. And it's one or more. It's only one. So what should we use? Is. Let's read this sentence. You here. Remember, what do we use with you? Are. So you are here. I, Hamza. Remember, I is the friend of am. So the sentence is I am Hamza. We, glad. We use it for ourselves and others together. We is one or more than one? It's more than one. So what should we use? Are. So the sentence is we are glad. Mom, home. Mom is people, place, thing, or animal. It's people. And it's one or more? It's only one. So what should we use with it? Is. So the sentence is Mom is home. And by that, we are done for today. Thank you so much for listening.